So this was my drawings basically for the inside of the motorhome, looking at. So you've got to remember the heights are all approximate. So this is the outside, okay, to take in the seal, because the diagonal is your maximum width where you can get that 800mm board through, okay. Then the bottom square is the actual inside heights that I measured, 72 height inside. But remember, it's only 54 on the outside. Okay. So these were some ideas, and you can pause it and have a look. And this was the big sheet of timber I got from B&Q, 9mm plywood hardwood, and the cuts. They'll do you 5 cuts for free. Every cut after that is 50p. Okay, I only needed 4 cuts because basically I got them to do it to the length first, so 1800 length. So that took 1 cut off. Then everything else would stay the same length. I just needed, well, at the time I thought I just needed 2 10mm strips, 1 each side. But then I decided I was going to do the 3 legs on the front side of the garage, and only stick the 10cm plank to the back, as in the inside of the outside wall where the bike rack hangs. So, and then the actual offcut at the bottom, that bottom rectangle, 1800 by whatever that worked out at, about 35, I then cut that into the 3 legs as on the side that you see. The other piece of wood I got to make for the shelf to sit on and screw into, so it would be reversible, is 1x1 basically. So 25mm square, planed, and again that was 2.440 from B&Q as well. So this sheet of plywood I think cost me £26. The cuts were free, and the bit of 25x25mm wood I think was just less than £10. So, and I think I paid about £3 for the screws that I used, which were 25mm 4x25mm screws. Okay.